Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument designed specifically with new musicians in mind. The VENEKA portable folding 88-key electronic piano in white. This isn't just any keyboard. It's built to be your first step into the world of music, making learning accessible and fun, especially for beginners and students. One of the most striking features is its portability. As the name suggests, it folds up, making it incredibly easy to transport. Whether you're heading to a lesson, a friend's house, or just want to practice in a different room, this piano is designed to go with you. It's constructed with an aluminum frame and quality PC material, which gives it a sense of durability, suggesting it can handle being moved around without worry. Despite its portable nature, VENEKA hasn't compromised on the playing experience for beginners. It features 88 full-size keys, which are designed to simulate the feel of a real acoustic piano. This is crucial for developing proper finger technique and getting used to the standard layout and touch response you'd find on a traditional instrument. Having the full 88 keys also means you have the complete range of notes available, allowing you to play a wider variety of music right from the start. Beyond just the keys, this electronic piano is packed with features to aid learning and creativity. It comes loaded with 128 different sounds, giving you a vast palette of instrument voices to experiment with, from grand pianos to strings, organs, and more. Complementing the sounds are 128 rhythms, providing backing tracks in various styles to practice timing and feel. There are also 15 built-in performance songs, which can be great for listening or even playing along with. For those just starting out, the teaching functions are a major plus. These features are specifically included to help beginners grasp the fundamentals of playing. The programming function adds another layer of capability, allowing users to experiment with creating their own sequences or arrangements as they progress. Ultimately, the VENEKA portable folding 88-key electronic piano aims to provide beginners with a solid foundation. By offering a full set of weighted feel keys, a wide array of sounds and rhythms, and dedicated teaching tools, it helps new players learn essential music knowledge, develop a strong sense of rhythm, and master the basic skills needed for standard piano performance. Its combination of portability, durability, and comprehensive features makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to start their musical journey without needing a large, stationary instrument. It seems like a well-thought-out tool for the aspiring musician on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.